Assalamu alaikum. This is Miss Kiran, the SAT School Learning Management System, Grade 4, Subject Science, Topic Classification of Plant. Now I am going to tell you about the classification of plants. Plants are of different types. They have different characteristics, depend upon the environment, location, and their uses. Some plants grow in cold environment or in cold region. They have different characteristics like they have needle-like leaves. Similarly, some plants grow in hot areas or hot environment like desert areas. These plants do not need much water. They have small leaves or sometimes no leaves, like cactus plant. Same way, some plants grow on land. Some plants grow in water and some plants grow in forest. Some plants live off other plants, or we can say they depend on the other plant. That's why they are called the parasitic plant. Now I give you the example, Rafflesia flower. This flower are found in the forest of Malaysia and Indonesia. Now some plants catch the insects and they trap them for their survival. For example, Venus fly trap. These plants are called the insectivorous plant or insectivorous plant. As you know, some plants bear flowers, so they are called the flowering plants. There are about 3 types of flowering plants: perennial, biennial, and annual plants. Now perennial plants. Perennials are those flowering plants which grow back year after year. For example, dahlia plant. Now next, biennial plants. The life cycle of biennial plant is only 2 years. For example, parsley plants are biennial plants. Now annual plants. Annual plants have life cycle of 1 year, like corn plant. Terrestrial plants. You can see in the pictures of different terrestrial plants. Terrestrial plants are those plants which grow on land. That's why they are called the terrestrial plants. For example, peepal, pine, cedar, fir, as you can see in the picture. Aquatic plants. Plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. Some aquatic plants float in water, like water hyacinth, for example. Some aquatic plants are fixed in water, for example, water lily are the fixed water plant. Some aquatic plants are found in underwater, like pondweed is an example of water plants. Kinds of grasses. Now I want to tell you about the technique of moving plants from one place to another. This is called the tree planting. It means the process of replanting for forestry or gardening. Weather is an important factor for tree planting. It decides the time for tree planting. It also decides where to grow the plants, at home, school, or on other land. Now I tell you about the grasses, the kinds of grasses. Grasses are grown by spreading grass seeds and covering them by using the topsoil. Always moist the soil by watering. They are available in vast range of different types and sizes. There are about 10,000 different species of grasses are recognized all over the world. You can see the picture of grasses, different grasses. Thank you so much. I hope you will learn from this topic. Thank you so much.